Welcome to the segment on device profiles. These profiles are essential for setting up advanced configurations tailored to the various technologies available in your system. To begin, let's navigate to the correct module. Please go to the main menu and click on Settings, Technology Settings. Then, select the Device Profiles option. Default profiles for SIP, PJSIP, IAX2, and WebRTC have already been created. These defaults are automatically used for their respective technologies. You can modify them, but typically you'll want to create your own custom profiles. Remember that device profiles can be created for PJSIP, IAX2, and WebRTC devices and trunks. Let's create a new profile now. First, you only need to select the profile type, for instance, PJSIP. Next, give your profile a unique name and a helpful description to easily identify its purpose later. Once those are entered, you will see a list of configuration parameters available to customize this specific profile. We won't go through every single option here, as the settings are highly specific to each technology like PJSIP or IAX2. We recommend consulting the official Asterisk documentation for the exact details of each field. However, if the specific option you need to configure isn't visible in the standard UI tabs, you can go to the Advanced tab. Here, you can manually add a specific header parameter and its corresponding value to fine-tune your configuration. Once your configuration is complete, click the Save button. In the next segment, you will find a full cheat sheet explaining the different configuration options you have available for these profiles. Thank you for following this guide.